Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about some of the Filipino inventions. In this lesson, you will be able to identify famous Filipino and foreign scientists and their inventions, as well as you will be able to explain the impact of science through the different inventions used in everyday life. Are you ready? Our planet Earth is filled with wonders. Everywhere we look, we can find various materials and observe many interesting natural events. Understanding the world around us helps us learn about science. It teaches us what things are made of, how they work, and how natural events occur. What dish is this? Exactly. This is sinigang. Sinigang is a salty, sour dish commonly cooked in Filipino households. What do you think makes it salty? One probable reason is the locally produced condiment called patis or fish sauce. The Filipino version of fish sauce was first created in Malabon by Rufina Salao Viuda de Lucas, a fish dealer in 1900. Rufina lives in Malabon, which in 1900 was a town near a fish port. At that time, salting and curing were common methods of preserving fish. Rufina preserved fish by mashing it with salt and placing it in a jar. After tending to the jars, Rufina noticed a clear juice coming from the raw mixture. After testing the clear juice, she eventually came up with what we today as patis. How is science related to the making of patis? Her curiosity led her to find out more that resulted in a creation that has benefited the community then and even up today. Other inventions, past and present, resulted from science. Some common household items were actually invented by Filipinos. Let's discuss them one by one. Banana ketchup. Banana ketchup is a modified condiment that uses bananas instead of tomatoes as the main ingredient. Maria Ilagan Orosa, a food technologist, invented this condiment. Food processing machines. Benjamin Almeda is the father of Filipino inventors. He is known for inventing various food processing machines such as the coconut grater, rice grater, and meat grinder. These machines transform food processing technology, making food preparation faster and easier. Improvised incubator. An incubator is medical equipment used to help premature babies with their health concerns. Dr. Fe Del Mundo, a Filipino doctor who was passionate about children's health, made an improvised incubator that was more affordable than the ones available at that time. Anti-cancer cream. Rolando de la Cruz, a Filipino scientist and inventor, was the first to develop a cream made from cashew nut extract to remove growth moles and warts. He conducted further research in healing skin diseases, which led to the creation of a cream that cures a specific type of skin cancer. Karaoke machine. The first karaoke originated from Japan. Roberto del Rosario, a Filipino inventor, invented his version of the machine and was credited for creating the karaoke sing-along system in 1975. Video telephone. Gregorio Zara, a Filipino engineer and physicist, invented the first videophone. These machines allow two people to see each other while talking on the phone. Single-chip graphics accelerator. Every personal computer has a graphics accelerator chip, which makes the computer work faster. Diosdado Balataw, Filipino engineer, is credited for inventing the world's first single-chip graphics accelerator. Modular housing system. Edgardo Vasquez created VAS-Built, a housing system that uses prefabricated materials in building a house. Notable foreign scientists and inventors are also credited for discoveries, inventions, and innovations that have had a positive impact to the world. Here are some inventions that became the foundation for the technology used today. Printing press. German inventor Johannes Gutenberg is credited with the invention of the world's first printing press. This invention led to the mass production of books and made it possible to develop other printing press machines. Frequency hopping. Hedy Lamarr is an Austrian inventor who is credited with the invention of frequency hopping, a technology used in wireless communication by the U.S. military during the war. This technology was used to develop and invent various wireless communication methods such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. Once again, science made it possible for these scientists, inventors, and innovators to discover and create things that are helpful to you and the world.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.